My name is Honorable Dr. Nami Robinson Ewo, former Deputy Leader, Rivers State House of Assembly, and currently the Vice Chairman, Rivers West, People's Democratic Party, Rivers State Chapter. Like I said earlier, the court, by the design of our Constitution, have a right to quash a law being made by any House of Assembly or even the Federal House, Senate and Reps. They are vested with that power. What the court cannot do was to stop the Legislative House from functioning. If the House, in his opinion today, decided that whatever thing that has been done with the Edison Ehe-led House is null and void, I think that is the opinion of the House. But the good thing about the judgment is that this is the court of first instance. Because it's court of first instance, the Rivers State Governor have right of appeal. But coming home, I felt that when a peace process is in place, that all parties should pursue that peace to a logical conclusion. When they went to Abuja, I didn't go to Abuja. But when they came back, they briefed us on the issues they agreed. One of the issues they agreed was that the governor should represent the budget. All these are part of the peace process. And because they are part of the peace process, it cannot happen overnight. It's not automatic. One of the resolutions is that all litigations should be withdrawn. I don't know why people should still be in court today to get judgment. That one I don't know. No, it's not correct. You know, this thing is not automatic. It cannot happen overnight. It's a process. The governor has commenced the implementation. For instance, they just screened the commissioners. The governor, too, in different fora, has said that he will make all sacrifice to ensure that peace return to the state. He has equally said that it cost him nothing to implement the 8-point agenda. I believe that because it's not automatic, it's a gradual process that the governor will implement all. As to the question of trust, first and foremost, this is an internal affair of the House of Assembly and the governor of Rivers State. It's no affair of APC. Even if our lawmakers have defected from PDP to the APC, a matter for which our national body, the umbrella body of PDP, is pursuing in court. Because even our former governor in several fora maintained that if you are defecting, you can't defect with your votes. Leave the vote, vacate your seat, and then defect. So the question of their defection is a different ball game. As to the question of trust implementation, it's a gradual process. It's not automatic, and it cannot happen in a day. Look at the entire process. It must be taken one after the other. So the question of trust is not there. And trust cannot just be one way. In a matter between two parties, why this one is shifting ground, the other one too is also shifting ground. Why the governor is implementing, they ought to have withdrawn this matter before this stage, going by that peace agenda. But why they are still in court, it's like they too cannot be trusted. Why are they still pursuing litigation, having come from Abuja? The president is president of the country, president of APC. So why are they still pursuing this litigation at this stage of the matter?
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.